Alright guys, I'm in my dorm room. So today we're going fishing on campus. There's this pond that they're draining for some reason. I don't know if they're going to dig it out or not, but it's really low right now, so all the fish are getting pushed to the middle. I know a lot of the fish have already died, but we're going to go out there today and see if we can catch anything, if there's anything still alive, and I hope we can catch something. There used to be a ton of bass and brim and catfish in there, but I'm just taking my ultralight with a little crappie jig, and I've got some other little like micro fishing baits, but yeah, we're gonna see if we can catch anything. All right, there's a little bit of water still. We're gonna try it and see if we can get anything to bite. Dude, there's a disc right there. Nuh-uh. No name. Dub. Alright, we have swapped up baits to like a little beetle spin type of deal. We're gonna go around here again, because I think this is the deepest part of the pond on the levee. So we're gonna see if we can get anything out of there. There we go. There we go. Yeah. There's one. Little largemouth. He's looking poor. You don't get a picture of him. That's a nice little guy. Go ahead and release him. See if we can get anything else. Oh, it's muddy here on this side because the sun don't. Well, we're gonna go for. Oh, they want to fish. Oh,
it's a big one.
Did you see that? It hit. That is a sick bass, not in a good way.
Bryce. There we go.
That fish is not healthy. But I saw him swim off, and I threw over there and he hit it. He choked it. He swallowed it. Like, look. Well, now what? Be free, Willie. He swam off. But, all right, we finna switch to a Ned rig, I do believe. I think I've got one. Ready to see the dumbest looking bait that catches fish? You literally take half of a stick worm and a little jig head. It's called a Ned rig. It has no action. Fish love it for some reason. Like normally, you know, you want your bait to kind of flutter or imitate something. That's it. It's a little turd. I think all the brim and stuff must have died. It is winter though, and brim aren't particularly active in winter. Oh!
Dang.
Get past that. There we go. Stop, 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 stop. Patton's tiny. You want to get a picture of it?
May as well. Ah, come on, boom. Pump in the background.
Pump in the background. I use it, I like it. Because it's...
I'm definitely, if I'm going to keep on doing this, I definitely want to get a second bite.
Come on, buddy. You're not that big. He's not that big. That's the biggest one, I think. He swam off. There he goes. Maybe. Maybe? See if I can get him to bite again.
Gosh, no, bro.
Let's see if I can get him to bite again.
Oh, no! It's going for it.
No, it's not.
Oh. It was going that way.
I think I spooked it, and that's the only way it could go. Dude, there's a calf cup.
That's bad.
Ooh, there's a disc.
You want me to hold your pole?
No, I might need it. That is a disc, right?
Yeah, that is. Good spot. Bryce, I'm gonna have a better way over here. gonna try to hook it?
That's how I got the other one. I might just do that until I get it over here. Okay, I had it. Is that silk? Oh. That looked like it was like super duper soft. So I was trying to be careful, and then I was like, can you go toss that in the bed of my truck? Well, no more fishing. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. It's actually, I'm filming this a couple days later. I'm really bad about recording intros and outros, but yeah, I went back the next day and that pond was dry. Like, they had pumped all the water out of it except that little puddle, and there were catfish swimming around, and yeah, it's really sad. I don't know, we'll see what they do with it. I'm hoping they'll dig it out and make it a little deeper. But thanks for clicking on the video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. And other than that, I'll see y'all next time.